Hello, let's discuss the fixed function in Excel. Fixed function rounds a number to a specified number of decimals and returns in text with or without commas. So let's look at this. Suppose this is your number and you want it to be in a fixed decimal points, and along with that you want it to be in text format. So let's see this number. I've written a function equal to fixed. I link it to this numbers. There are two more options available here in brackets, though that means they are not compulsory. How many decimals and commas or without commas? We will see that as we go ahead. Let's do this without any of the other inputs. So by default, you have got two decimals and comma, and it is a text now, no more a number. If you see it's center aligned, so it's text now, no more a number. Let's now use this function for this particular number. So fixed, and I want two decimal places, so I put 2, and let's see the other option where commas, if it is true, which is so it prevents commas, and if it is false, do not prevent commas. So if I say true, there won't be any commas. So I have 1 minus 1 2 3 4.57, and without commas. I would like to change this to see commas, so I do false, and by default if you see it's false because it is not showing any commas. Very simple. One other feature I want you to know about fixed function is that it can round to on the left side of the decimals. Let's say I collect this numbers and I can give here -2, and commas by default I want, so it will be rounding it to the left of the decimals. Look at this, -1200. So you have commas and it is made it into hundreds. You can make it into thousands. You can make it into thousands as well if you give -3. One more use case of this numbers, I want it to 4 decimals. So even if there are no 4 decimals, it will pad it with zeros. Let's see this. Okay, so very simple function, and you can use it to modify your numbers. Remember, what you are getting, the output is a text output and not a number output. Thank you.